Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So if I double a number 4 times and the result is 80, so what is the number? Most people instantly say 20, but it's wrong. So let's find the real number. So why do you people say 20? Because they think 80 divided by 4, which is 20. But wait, doubling 4 times doesn't mean multiplying by 4. So doubling means multiply by 2, and doubling 4 times means 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 2, that is 16. So the number is multiplied by 16, not 4. So let's do this. So let the number be x. Doubling 4 times means x multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 is equals to 80. So x multiply 16 is equals to 80. X is equals to 80 by 16. So the value of x is 5. So the correct answer is 5, not 20. So that's why reading the question carefully most matters. So this question tests understanding of repeated doubling, exponential thinking, avoiding shortcut mistakes. So comment below how many times did you double it before watching the solution, and share this with someone who loved and would say the answer is 20. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.